What can the color of the coolant tell you about the engine and how it's maintained? Well, we're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by Nissan, innovation that excites. Visit partsadvantage.nissanusa.com for more information.
Today we're discussing Nissan TSB NTB09040A in regards to long life coolants. Around 2009, Nissan started to phase in a blue coolant that was a long life coolant that was intended to be replaced every 105,000 miles or every 7 years. This coolant was compatible with the engine block, the head, and also the gaskets that seal the engine itself. According to Nissan, the green coolant that was previously used is compatible with the blue coolant. But when you do mix the two coolants, it reduces the life of the coolant down to 4 years or 60,000 miles. But the chemistry is compatible. So just keep this in mind the next time that you pop the hood on a vehicle. Look at the color of the coolant. Make sure it's the right color. It's not cloudy. There's no debris floating in it. And make sure it matches the original coolant color. It's a kind of an indication if the vehicle has been serviced if you look at the odometer, and also if there's been an incident of overheating where the customer may have topped off the engine with either water or a non-compatible coolant that could be damaging the engine. For instance, the green and the blue coolant, when they mix, well, they actually form a little bit of a different shade of green. If a customer mixes yellow coolant, which is a long life coolant for some European and Asian vehicles, with the blue coolant, well, you get a really light green color. But if you mix the purple with the blue coolant, you almost get a brown purple tinge color. The next time you look at a coolant reservoir, make sure you look at the color and clarity of the coolant to make sure it matches the vehicle. This can give you an indication, well, if the customer's had an overheating problem that they're not telling you about, or if the vehicle has been serviced previously. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.